How to clear cache on Instagram, step-by-step guide. Hey there! Welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to clear the cache on Instagram to free up space and improve the app's performance. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon for more useful tech tips. Let's dive right in. First, let me quickly explain what cache is. Cache is temporary data stored by Instagram to help the app run faster. Over time, it can build up and take up unnecessary space, causing slow performance or glitches. If you're using an Android phone, here's how to clear the Instagram cache. 1. Go to Settings on your phone. 2. Scroll down and tap Apps or App Management. 3. Find and select Instagram from the list. 4. Tap Storage and Cache. 5. Finally, tap Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Data unless you want to log out and reset the app. After clearing the cache, check your phone's storage. You should notice that Instagram is using less space. And that's it. Clearing your Instagram cache is quick and easy. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials.
See you next time.